Also joined by Laura Kang. She is the director of the International Tsunami Information Center based in Hawaii. A tsunami warning for just about now. Laura Kang, what information can you bring us?
Only that we believe the wave has probably already arrived, though we don't have any reports right now of seeing anything in Hawaii. But we are in a warning in Hawaii, and the state has, and all the coasts have been evacuated. We've been in a warning for about 4 or 5 hours with an evacuation.
Is there any way you can tell where because there's so many, obviously, countries in the Pacific Basin that have been put on alert, any likely direction for the strongest parts of the tsunami? Which countries might be most in danger?
Well, clearly after Japan, a lot of the energy is directed towards Hawaii, and there's some fingers that are headed perhaps to towards the Pacific Northwest. But it looks like some of the coastal forecasts that the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center has been looking at, they're estimating things of certainly less than 1 meter or 2, but really that's an amplitude. But we're waiting to see how waves are occurring or observed in Hawaii before we go further with anything more on whether the warning will continue or be canceled.
The AP has put out a news alert, Laura Kang, saying to tsunami waves slam Hawaii, waves sweeping through islands.
Certainly, a tsunami is a series of waves, and it does sweep across the ocean, and it would hit all parts of the island. But, it is the middle of the night here, and unless they have specific eyewitness observation, it would be a little bit difficult to say that. We do have sea level gauges or tide gauges that are measuring, but I haven't seen the readings yet.
How many people have to be evacuated, and where do they go?
Here in Hawaii, we have evacuation maps since the 1990s, and they're in the phone book. So all of our residents are very well aware, and especially after the Chile event in February of 2010. We all know what a tsunami is. We all know where to go. By and large, most of the residents have retreated inland, or they've gone to shelters or to their family or friends. And within Waikiki, where most of our tourists are, there we have a policy of vertical evacuation or sheltering in place. So the hotels that are tall, reinforced concrete buildings, the hotel guests would go upstairs above the 3rd floor.
We're also